Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning here for Chamalang. Okay, we meet again today. Today is Monday, 23rd August 2021. Today we are going to have another lesson in English. Okay, I want you to get ready your Get Smart Plus Year 4 and turn to page 62. Today we're going to learn about different means of transportation, and we will focus on some reading, writing, and dictating. Okay, towards the end, I will explain what is transportation, different type of transport, and what is dictating. Are you ready? Okay. Now, what do you understand about transportation? Transportation is moving things or people from one place to another using various ways. Dalam bahasa Melayu, transportation ialah pengangkutan. Dia bermaksud membawa barang ataupun manusia ataupun orang dari satu tempat ke satu tempat yang lain menggunakan pelbagai cara. What is the various way? Various way, for example, train, bus, aeroplane, taxi, lorry, and motorbike. Motorbike is also known as motorcycle. Okay, these are a few examples of transport usually used in Malaysia, and you can easily find them on the road. Now, before today, now I want to do some reading exercises with all of you. Make sure you turn to page 62, and you can see there are three short passages about three types of transport you can find in the world. Number 1. A tuk-tuk looks like a motorbike with 3 wheels. The driver sits in the front and 2 to 3 people can sit in the back. Many tourists take tuk-tuk in Thailand. They can be faster than taxis. Riding in tuk-tuks is fun and exciting too. Okay, now you can see that tuk-tuk is a kind of transport you can find in Thailand. And tuk-tuk is like a motorbike. How do you know motorbike? Motorbike has wheels. And how many wheels does it have? It has 3 wheels. A normal motorbike will have 2 wheels, but a tuk-tuk has 3 wheels. Now, can you imagine how does a tuk-tuk looks like? I have 3 pictures here, A, B, and C. And as you can see there, the second picture, you can see there are wheels here, 1, 2, and another one at the back. So there are wheels there. But the other 2 pictures doesn't have wheels. So which one is tuk-tuk? And you can also find that the driver sits in the front. Where? So where do the driver sit? The driver will sit here. So which one is tuk-tuk? It's picture number 1. Okay, what about the other 2 pictures? What are they called? Now let us do some reading. Number 2. Gondolas are long boats. In the past, people used them in Venice, Italy to get from one place to another. Gondolas are very slow. Riding in a gondola isn't very comfortable, but tourists love it. Now, the second passage is about gondolas. What is a gondola? Gondola is a long boats. Long boats. And how do you find boats? Boats you can find on water. And now look at the other 2 pictures, picture A and picture C. Which one is on water? As you can see, picture A shows a transport on water, which is very close to gondola. So, which one is gondola? Yes, it's picture number 2. How about picture number 3? What is the name of the transport? You can find the name of the transport if you turn to your textbook, page 62. And you can find the name of the transport which has keys and it's on snow. Okay, I hope you find what is the name of the transport. Okay, next. Do you know how does a transport sound? And each transport has a unique sound. Now let's listen. What do you think it is? It is a train. It is a train. Now, can you hear there is a siren? Dengar tak ada bunyi siren? And what do you think it is? Yes, it is an ambulance. Can you hear that? Can you hear it? Mana kita boleh dengar? Normally, we can hear this at an airport. So what it is? It is an aeroplane. So each transport have certain sounds. Let us listen to another sounds produced by transport. It has also siren but different from ambulance. The second one, you usually listen them, you can hear them on the road. So what kind of transport it is? Is it a fire truck? Is it a motorbike? Or is it a bus? What do you think? Now, let us learn about different transport around the world. This is a mind map that I have produced based on the 3 paragraph on page 62. Now look at number 1. Gondolas. Gondolas is a long boats and which is very slow, and you can find it in Venice, Italy. The second one is a tuk-tuk. What is a tuk-tuk? Tuk-tuk is a motorbike which has 3 wheels. You can find it in Thailand, and normally the driver sit in the front. Next is the snowmobiles. Snowmobile doesn't have wheels. It has no wheels, but it has keys. It can go very fast, sangat laju. However, the driver must wear helmet and warm clothes. Why warm clothes? Because it is used in the snow, so it can be very, very cold. I hope to remember this because I will ask about this in the exercise later. Later, you have to do this exercise 1, fill in the blanks. And you have to remember certain words that I will leave it blank. Now, we're going to do the last part, that is dictation. What is dictation? Dictation is when you listen to certain things and then you have to write it down, the order of the words. Example, I will say out the words like aeroplane. And then you will do the exercise and you write down the spelling of aeroplane correctly. That is called dictation. Now, I want you to listen to the audio. And remember, how is the word being said from 1 to 7. So there are 7 words all together. So you remember which is the first one, the second one, the third one until the number 7th. Remember how are the words being said, and then you do exercise number 2 in the quizzes that I will give later.
Motorbike, wheel, taxi, comfortable, exciting, tourist, slow,